Welcome to Slim Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle. Hey Sunshines, welcome back to Slim Thick Curls. In today's video, I'm kicking off my Slim Thick Curls house to home basement renovation series. So I just got finished showing you pictures of what the basement looked like prior to construction. This is a full renovation. Our basement was completely empty, so there was no rooms. It was literally a for real open concept. So my husband, Corey, he went ahead and designed the layout for the basements in regards to the flow, the sizes of the rooms, things of that nature, and he did an amazing job. We actually started working on the basement way before I even had a YouTube channel, so a lot of the beginning work I did not have any pictures of, so thankfully my husband took pictures that I was able to share with you guys. Now, the first thing that we did before we even started the actual construction process, so to say, we actually had a sub pump put into the basement. We don't have any flooding issues, but we knew that we were about to spend a lot of money in the basement, and we wanted to make sure that all of that work we put in did not get ruined, just in case there was any water issues. Drywall is up and the electrical work has been done. So now it's time for us to talk about this bathroom. So we have somewhat of a smaller home, so we only have one bathroom in our house, and we knew when we purchased this, we wanted to add a second bathroom. So it took a little bit of work because there was no plumbing in the area that we wanted to put the bathroom in the basement. So they had to do all of this that you see, but it was definitely well worth it. I love the way the bathroom turns out. And my husband completely designed this bathroom all by himself. So the only thing I did was, if he picks out some materials, I signed off on it. But we basically have the exact same taste and style. Well, let me not say that's the only thing that I did. I mean, I did add all of the decorations and things of that nature outside of the picture that he found. But other than that, a lot of the stuff that we put up on the walls and all of the decor, that portion I did fine. She's Mona Lisa, a work of art and an oversized t-shirt. She's magic when she moves, with the eyes she put a spell on you. She's trouble for your heart, because you can't stop falling once you start. She knows she got it all. She knows she got it all. She knows she got it all. It all. She knows she got it all. She knows she got it. She knows she got it. Underneath the stairs, my husband designed a reading nook for our daughter Monet. And over here, we wanted this to be flush for the stairs. However, this right here was in the way. So we had to work it into our design because there is a pipe in there preventing us from having it to be flush. So we're going to have some drawers in there for her and a light for her to be able to see. And right here, this is the pipe that I'm talking about that we could not get rid of. But it ended up working out for our design, as you can see here. 'Cause I know my worth and I know I'm worth it. So until then, just wait. I'll just wait. I love that we did our accent wall here in all black. It is so beautiful to me. Now this entrance you see here, this leads into my office. And my office, there's going to be a completely different video in my house to home basement reno series where you can see how I decorated and designed my office. So make sure you stay tuned, and if you are not subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe and have your notifications on so that you know when I upload that video. Now on the floor here, you see there is some fabric. We actually used that fabric for my husband's grandmother's couch that we had. So we had it reupholstered and it turned out fabulous. So this is our second accent wall that we did in all black. 'Cause I know my worth and I know I'm worth it. So we got these lights for the sitting area from Menards, and I love the way they reflect the light on the ceiling and just the mood that it sets. And we finally got our lights up that I found on Amazon on our other accent wall. As you can see, we are sticking with our black theme. We have black paint up in the bathroom as well. So until then, just wait. I'll just wait. We're making great progress in the bathroom. We have our shower heads up. We have my mirror that I just had to have up. I love that you can change the light tones on it. You can also defrost because I like steamy showers, which I know you're not supposed to do, but I love them anyways. Here's all the towel that we're going to use in the bathroom and laundry room. And now the towel is up in the bathroom and I absolutely love it. So glad that we went with the ledge going all the way across the entire shower. To me, it gives it a very dramatic look, which I love. Coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out. 'Cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yeah, so what? I made some bad mistakes, but I've been the same ever since you called my name. And I felt the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me trusting diamonds. What we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. To the left of the bathroom is the laundry room, which is my baby. So I know I stated my husband designed the flow and everything for the entire basement, and he designed most of the rooms. But the laundry room was the room that I was able to design and decorate along with my office. But this is probably like my favorite design in the house, or one of the favorite designs. But I had so much fun designing and creating everything that went in here. Now this will also be a separate video in my house to home basement reno series, so please make sure that you stay tuned to watch that video as well. But the whole time you had the keys, I don't know. The floors are finally in. I went with a bold choice for the towel and I do not regret it at all. Looking at me and I'm looking at you. Looking at us and I'm thinking that we got something good, and I know that there's nothing that's coming between us, no nothing at all. And they can call it love and whatever they want, but I call it right. As I was designing the laundry room, I ran into a little bit of an obstacle with this vent. Now, I did not want that coming straight up like that. So with the help of my contractor and my cousin, we were able to solve that issue. So you just saw my contractor is outside our home drilling a hole so that the vents can come through, and it's actually going to go through the sub pump closet. So this is what it looks like from the inside. All the walls are painted, the beams are covered, and now it is time to lay our flooring. We were super excited. We wanted to do a chevron design for our flooring. So we had everything picked out. You see the boxes here of all the flooring that we have for the basement, and we prepped the floor because it wasn't leveled throughout the basement. And here is the chevron effects. Absolutely loved it, but we couldn't use it. So the issue is the gentleman from Lumber Liquidator was stating that as he was putting it down, it was not locking into place and it kept popping up. So we didn't want those issues. So while I was working, my husband went back to the store and we picked out this design here. So the check marks you see, that's the options that he picked out for us. And it ended up working out. We had to switch everything out So again, we were a little bummed that we could not do our chevron effect, but I do still love the flooring that we went with. And we ended up having to level out even more spots in the basement because of it not being level and having drains and things of that nature. So that's what you're looking at. But this is the new flooring that went down. Love it, love it, love it, love it. For this accent wall, we decided to go with wallpaper that I found at Wayfair. This is actually our very first time putting up wallpaper, and it turns out really nice. Now y'all, disregard this bonnet that's on my head. At this point, I had just started my YouTube channel and I wanted to record the process. And somebody didn't want to wait for me to take my bonnet down. So we had to keep the party going with the bonnet on. This is going to be our snack and beverage area that we use for ourselves and when we're entertaining people over at the house. And we got the wine fridge from Menards, and the cabinets we got from IKEA along with the wood that is on top. Now, as I stated, we started this basement renovation a long time ago. We actually ordered all of our IKEA cabinets and everything prior to the pandemic, but it took forever for us to get it because it literally was right before the pandemic. We ordered the items in February of 2020, and then everything shut down in March of 2020. So it took months and months and months, as we all know why, to get them. So I am so happy that we waited though, because it ended up working out perfectly. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed? Corey designed this stairwell for us, and thankfully we have a neighbor who actually does this for a living, where he owns his own company. So we just hired him to make it for us based off Corey's design, and it turns out really, really nice. Like, I love this handrail. I also like that the handrail is now on the right hand side when you come down the steps versus on the left hand side where it originally was, which was not cute. Corey also designs and created these barn doors for my office. With the help of my cousin, he was able to build them, and his design was beautiful. Now we are to the point where we can finally start moving into the basement. It took forever for us to get to this point, but we are finally able to move in. If you saw my Extreme Declutter and Deep Clean with Me 2021 episode living room cleaning motivation video, then you already know how we was living upstairs during this renovation, and you understand why I'm saying finally. It was a lot going on up there. So if you have not seen that video and don't know what I'm talking about, once this video is over, please be sure to go watch that video. I found these pictures years ago from wish.com, but had nowhere to put them at the time. And then my husband reminded me when we were designing the basement that I found these pictures. So I just had to go to FedEx and cut them so we can hang them up. This whole area is basically for our daughter. As you can see to the left, she has her piano, and this desk area we put together for her. Most of the items that we have on our desk were part of our couples home decor haul video that we did. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it.
my north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're...
We got this particular black and white pillow cover from IKEA, but at the time they were all out of stock for the pillow inserts. So you just saw my husband putting a random pillow that we had around the house inside of it so that we could use it. As I said earlier, this whole section of the basement is specifically for my daughter. So we have this reading nook that is finally all together. So we had to have her come downstairs and test it out and see how she likes it. And as you can see from her facial expression, she loves it. It's almost time for the final results. And before we get there, I just wanted to give a shout out of appreciation to my husband for designing this basement and doing an amazing job. I am extremely happy with all of the results. We absolutely love this basement. So to those of you that are watching, I also want to thank you for watching the video, clicking on it. Hopefully you liked what you saw. Hopefully you will take the time to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay true and be you.
Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the
Toodles.